In this example, we're going to use Adobe XD to design an activity especially to make a prototype app. So in this example, we're going to select, again, you'll be various phone formats. We're going to choose Google Pixel 4. Here we have our activity. First thing we're going to do is we're going to name the activity main activity. Again, you notice that we use the capital letter for M for main and capital letter A for activity, so it's easier to read. We're also going to click on the app name, and we're just going to call it Cork Tourism App. Click and save. First thing I'm going to do is, here we have our main activity. I'm going to change the background to red, but just before we do that, on the left hand side you'll notice the arrow here. That's your select tool. All your various tools that you may require to design an app or an activity. So you have a rectangle, circle, triangle, a path tool for designing various different shapes. You have a T for a text tool, and again, if you want second or third activities, you can use that on the artboard. We have the magnifying glass to zoom in or out. On the right hand side, we have all the various properties or attributes of what we have selected. In this case, I've selected the handles are on the background of the activity, and I'm going to change that to red. Again, the hex code here, when you're looking at an app, you're looking at light, same as with a website, you're looking at light. Again, red, green, blue, which is RGB, that's the color format we're looking at. And again, we're going to change that here. Red, full red, again, F represents full. So full red, full green, and full blue is white color. We want full red, 0 green, and 0 blue, which should be a bright red. That's our color for our background. We're now going to put some text. So we draw our text box. I'm going to type in Cork City. Highlight your text, and on the right hand side again we can use our properties and change those to, say, 40 center. Again, we make it slightly larger, maybe 55. We're going to change the font. In the fonts, the Rob font is the font that's used in Android apps. We're going to use Rockwell in this example. We can scroll down here then through your various other activities. We're going to click on the center to center our heading. And again, we're going to change our fill color to white, which will be full red, full green, and full blue. The center. Again, you're just going to stretch this out to match the parent background. So now it's perfectly centered. Next thing we're going to do is, again, we're going to copy an image from Google Images of Cork City. And we're just going to copy an image and paste it into our app. We can move this image, click in the handles and drag it out. Position it. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to create a button. So click on our rectangle, draw your button. We're going to make this slightly narrower than the width. And again, we're going to put some text on it. So we'll just put text login, and we're going to change the color to red. Again, we're going to reduce the size of this to 30, and we're going to center this as well. There we go.